Hello my friends! Welcome back to my channel! And before we continue, please make sure that you subscribe to my channel and also i-click nyo yung tiny bell button para every time mag-upload ako, meron kayong notifications sa mga cellphones or sa mga desktops or laptops ninyo. In this video, I am going to share with you yet another massive haul. You guys won't believe what items I'm gonna be sharing with you today. Kasi ako, hindi ko pa rin sila nakikita. Pero, ganito kalaki yung box. Okay, my friends. This is how the box looks like. You see how big that is? I'm just going to be removing all of these para mas madali. Yon, yung mga cushion. Para mas madali na tingnan ko anong nandito sa box. So, excited na ako! Ay, nako! May mga nakikita na akong items dyan na talaga excited na akong ipakita sa inyo and iswatch para, you know, alam nyo naman. Makeup gets me so hyped up and overly excited. And just to let you know guys, all of these makeup items are from the generous Miss Pam. Miss Pam, if you're watching this, I know you told me na I shouldn't do any haul anymore, but basta gusto ko i-record yung feelings, yung emotion, yung excitement every time ma-unravel ko yung mga makeup items na pinadala ninyo. And she mentioned that some of the items here, she wants me to do a little bit of a giveaway para hindi lang ako yung nakaka-experience ng kaligayahan na na-experience ko ngayon. And also, nagdagdag din siya ng mga items dito para sa aking birthday for November 22nd! Just in case you're wondering, I'm already turning 29. I only have one more year left before I turn 30! So, ladies and gentlemen, hindi ko na ito patatagalin pa, and let's get started! So, this is the first item that I see. Nandun kagad siya nakabungad sa box kanina. Sobrang tempted akong basahin ito pero pinigilan ko yung sarili ko. So, sabi dito sa likod, Chris Lumagi, YouTube Diva. How cute is this card right now? So, I'm just going to read what it says. Sabi niya dito, congratulations on your first makeup workshop. I'm sure it will be very successful. Thank you for what you do and good luck on your future projects. See you next time, Pam. Okay guys, wala na nung styro peanuts from last time. Pero this is amazing. Oh my gosh, gusto kong bumili ng 10 yarda nito para putukin. Ay, hindi siya naputok. Daddy, hindi siya naputok. Hindi siya mamuputok. So, ayan, my dear friends. This is the first item. I can see through the bubble wrap. Oh my gosh. So, ladies and gentlemen, this is the Buxom 15-piece mini lip collection. So, I have a total of 15 lip glosses inside this box. Buksan natin yung box. Nakakaloka. Oh my gosh. Grabe. Packaging pa lang. Nakakabaliw na. Sabi dito sa likod, binabasa ko lang, this contains 5 best-selling mini full-on lip polishes. Meron din best-selling mini full-on lip creams. At saka, new mini wildly whipped lightweight liquid lipstick. Hala siya. Ha! Ang bango! Ay, naku, nakaka-addict naman to. This smells like cotton candy. Oh my gosh. Ah, iba-iba yung amoy niya. This one smells like orchids. Tapos ito amoy cotton candy. Swatch ko ba? Sige na nga, swatch na nga natin. So, here are the two colors that I will be doing a swatch on. This one is in the shade Emma. Tapos itong pink one is in the shade White Russian. So, just in case you're wondering kung magkano, it is valued for $150, but they're selling this for $59. Alright, let's try to dig into the next few items. Ah! Nakita ko na kagad, guys! Bakit dalawa kaya to? Bakit po kaya dalawa ito? So, this is the Sephora Favorites Extravagant Eyes collection. And, ito yung kanyang presyo. Ayan. So, this is the price. Just in case you're wondering bakit ganyan yung aking hintotoro, kasi naputol siya, naipit sa electric fan. So, ito yung mga items na nandito sa loob nitong box na to. And I'm so excited! Gusto ko na siyang buksan. Alam nyo ba, pangarap kong bumili ng Huda Beauty Lashes. Yun lang, nuknukan ng mahal. Nung last time na nagpabili ako or nagpasabay ako sa States, I ended up buying makeup items from BH Cosmetics and ColourPop kasi sabi ko, mahal-mahal naman ito. Hindi ko ma-afford talaga. Nangingilo ako sa saya. Ito yung nakalagay sa loob. Oh my gosh! Meron na akong Huda Beauty lash. Tapos meron siyang, tingnan natin kung ano yung mga kasama nito. So, meron siyang Huda Beauty lashes. Tapos, meron siyang Laura. Saan yung Laura Mercier? Ayun! So, ito yung Laura Mercier Caviar Stick Eye Color in Plum Shade. Pagkatapos, oh, may Marc Jacobs. Wala ka. Nakakaloka naman ito. Pagkatapos, meron siyang Marc Jacobs Beauty Mega Lash Volumizing Mascara. May Milk Makeup din siya nakalagay. Tapos, NARS. In Sephora Collection Waterproof Contour Eye Pencil. Oh! Nangarap ko talagang gawin yung nakikita ko sa Instagram. Anak. Sabi ko gaganon pa lang sana ako. Tapos nakita ko kagad yung design ng eyelashes. Ala siya! It's legit, guys. Finally, for the very first time, makakatry ako ng mga 3D lashes na hindi ko na kailangang i-DIY kasi eto na siya. Hindi ko napansin, kulang pala yung sinabi ko. Meron siyang Smashbox Cosmetics 24-hour Photo Finish Shadow Primer at saka Urban Decay Heavy Metal Glitter Eyeliner. I'm so excited to play with this. Grabe, you know me, guys. I love me some glitter. Ayan, nakikita nyo ba, guys? This is in the shade Midnight Cowboy. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited! Uy, katayan na siya ng kuko ko. Nakakatawa. So, Miss Pam is generous enough to give me 2 of these, and I'm wondering, should I do a giveaway? What do you guys think? If you want me to do a giveaway, ito pa lang sa part na to ng video, make sure to thumbs up. Oh guys, may napansin ako! Yung unang lash na nakita ko talaga na nag-stand out. So, here's another one from the same brand, Ardell. Ooh, another fancy looking one na may glitter-glitter. Here is another one. I think this would look really nice on a Halloween tutorial. What do you guys think? This one is so cute! And this is the last one. Alright, let's move on to the next item. I think pwede ko nang ilagay yung box dito sa aking lap kasi hindi na siya ganun kabigat. Atin lang na... Hindi, mabigat pa pala siya. Alright, ito yung sumunod na nakita ko. I think this one is for Justin. Can I open it, Daddy? Okay lang? Okay, with Justin's permission, Miss Pam, bubuksan ko na po yung regalo nyo sa kanya. Sabi ni Miss Pam, happy birthday daw sa'yo. Ang cute naman nito! Cellphone stand pala! Hala siya, oh! Ayun, yun yung literal na stand talaga. Hala, oh! Inside the box! I have a feeling that this might be ColourPop. Hala siya! ColourPop ka! Ang ganda naman ito! Ay, amoy Amerika. Hala siya! Ang daming ColourPop items. Oh! Oh my gosh! It's these! Oh my gosh! These are so cute! These are the ColourPop Minis Matte Lipsticks. I think pareho to ng shade. Ay, oo. Beeper, Clueless, Tall. Is it Tall too? Ayan. Tapos, More, Better, and Creeper. So, I think, binigyan din ako ni Miss Pam na additional eyeliners. Kicker, Get Paid, and Overboard. Tingnan natin kung anong kulay nitong mga ite. Ooh! Oh my gosh! A silver one. Parang copper, tapos a metallic brown. Hey! O yan, dahil natanggal yung silver sa lalagyan, might as well swatch. Hi! Tingnan nyo naman kung gaano ka-pigmented. Oh my goodness! Pagkatapos meron pang isang mini box na nandito, pero unahin muna natin to, guys. Tingnan nyo kung gaano karaming ColourPop blushes! Talagang viewer ko talaga si Miss Pam kasi sa isa sa mga naging past hauls ko before na mention ko na bumili ako ng mga ColourPop blushes, pero konti lang yung binili ko kasi wala akong pera. Sabi ko ganyan, kapos tayo sa budget. Sabi ko kung may pera lang ako, bibili ko lahat ng shades. And look what she got me! All the other shades na wala pa sa aking collection. Let's move on to the last ColourPop item. How do you guys open it? Ay, sana natin siya. Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! I love the colors! Can you guys see the colors? Hala siya! May dalawang, I think this one is a satin shade, matte, na super deep, mahogany brown, and then the rest are like chrome metallic eyeshadows. Oh my gosh. And this is in the shades, can you guys see? Ayan, yan yung mga shades na nandito sa ColourPop collection. Akala nyo ba nagtatapos na doon? Hindi pa. Meron pa tayong dalawa. Isang box at saka isang paper bag. Unahin na natin yung paper bag. And the paper bag says, Sephora. And I love that Miss Pam kept the packaging as it is. May paper tissue, something pa. Dami! Oh my gosh, guys! So this is the first item inside the paper bag. This is so cute! So ayan, nagdagdag din siya ng isa pang Becca na, anong foundation to? Oh, sakto. Right now, as you can see, I'm sporting a very dewy look because I previously filmed a Korean everyday look anyway. That's gonna be on a different video. You can just click the I button right up there to take you to that tutorial. But going back to the haul, this is the Ever Matte Shine Proof Foundation in the shade Cashmere. My favorite foundation from Sephora, the Taunt Infusion. Finally! Meron na akong backup at saka super backup. I love this foundation talaga. Kasi, ano yung parang your skin can breathe. Let me know down below kung ano yung mga products na na-mention ko dito sa haul na to na gusto nyong gawa natin na review or first impression, okay? Type it down in the comment section. The next item here is a Laura Mercier primer. Grabe, first time. Hala, tingnan mo naman. Can you guys see? You can't see. First time ever in my entire life, nakahawak ako ng legit na Laura Mercier na product. And this is what they call the foundation primer. Good things come in tiny little boxes. Naalala nyo ba yung, isa sa mga naging favorites video ko? Ako nga, hindi ko na maalala kung favorites o haul ko ba yun. Basta na-mention ko yung tungkol dito sa Makeup Forever. Na glitter something. Glitter loose powder. I'm gonna do a close-up, guys. So that you guys can see. Nakita ko to kay Nong Chat. Gumagamit siya nitong Makeup Forever na to. And this thing is ridiculously expensive. And I told myself na kailangan ko mag-book ng sobrang big time na client bago ako bumili nito. Kasi hindi ko siya bibili para sa sarili ko. And Miss Pam got me two of them. Ayan, sana makaabot pa. My battery is dying. Ayan, nagbigay din siya nitong, ano ba to? Ay, waterproof na Stila eyeliner. Ayan. Nagmamadali na ako, guys, kasi yung aking battery, nauubos na daw siya. Okay, this one is, I think is a mascara. Yeah, it is a mascara. Look. Ooh. Another Becca item here is a lip gloss. Oh my gosh, that looks so sexy. I love nude colors. Sobrang love ko to. And another Becca item. Oh, look at that. Eyeshadow quad. This one is in the shade, hindi ko alam kung shade siya. Galactica. Galactica daw yung shade niya. So, isa pa ulit gift para kay Justin. Alam niyo, mahilig si Justin sa pomade. Ayan. Love. Gusto mo ba itong makita?
Wow, yes.
Yes. Oh, catch. And the last item inside the box. I have a feeling that this might be what I think it is. So, let's open this one up. You guys, his name right here. Hala! Oh my! Pasensya na kayo kung sigaw ko na sigaw sa video na to ha. Kasi talagang... Hindi na ako makapagsalita. Okay, let's start with the matte liquid lipstick. Alright, so this is the matte liquid lipstick in King K. Pero talagang mas excited ako dito. Let's open it. I wanna open it. I wanna see. You guys, do you guys even see this? Do you guys even see this? Okay. Lo and behold, the Kylie shadows. Parang ayokong gamitin. Gusto ko lang siyang tingnan. Ay, nako. Hindi ko talaga inaasahan na ganito karami yung makeup na darating. Like what I always mention in my videos, every time magpapadala si Miss Pam sa akin, talagang ini-scan ko lang yung listahan niya para as in talagang makuha talaga yung totoong reaction ko kapag natanggap ko na sila. At ang sakit na ng pisngi ko Ang sakit na, nangangalay na ako. Kanina pa ako nakangiti. And medyo masakit na rin ang lalamunan ng inyong lingkod. Sobrang grabe. Sobrang maraming pong salamat sa inyong pagtitiwala, sa inyong panonood. Kahit minsan walang sense yung mga sinasabi ko sa videos ko. Sobrang talagang malaking bagay. I was rudely interrupted by FB? Okay, going back to what I was saying. Nag-emote na ako, tapos biglang may nag-message sa akin. Anyway, so ayan, ladies and gentlemen, alam ko na sobrang dami itong products na to, sobrang haba. And of course, I'm going to be doing a giveaway. Hindi ko ikikip lahat to para sa akin sarili. I'm gonna be doing a giveaway sa inyo, guys. Papamigay ko to. As long as you be part of our makeup workshop, that's going to be on November 19, 2016. Doon natin siya gagawin. Paparaffle natin to at titingnan natin kung sino ang maswerteng mapipili. Yes! And if you want to know more details about the makeup workshop, check out the description box. Andun lahat ng information na kailangan ninyo. You can call or text me on this number right here para mas madali ko kayong mapagsilbihan. Again, maraming salamat guys sa lahat ng inyong suporta sa channel na to. And I hope by the end of this year, makaabot tayo ng 50K! Yeah! So, thank you so much guys and I'll see you on my next video. Bye!